Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be showing you how to make these beautiful chocolate roses.
These are the items that you will be needing for this project. You are going to start off by hot gluing the chocolate kisses together. You will be cutting your cellophane paper into little squares. How I determined how big I wanted the squares, basically what I did is I just put the kisses inside and then I grabbed the stick and then just kind of, you want to leave a little bit of extra paper, that way when you put your rubber band it secures everything together. So here's the process again, just a little bit slower. So then you want to put your kebab stick and twist it. Then you will grab your rubber band and secure everything. Just, go over it a couple of times. Once you feel it's really secure, you grab your floral tape and then you wrap it all around, all the way to the bottom. So this is what they look like when you're all done. This will be a perfect Valentine's gift for your loved ones. What I liked about this project is that it's very cute and very affordable to make. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Bye!